Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to cut the cone and we're using clay here. So make the clay balls and spread all of them like this. Now we're going to give texture using this brush and paste all of them on the top of the cone. After this, make a star as well and paste small clay balls around it. We are making this Santa Claus snowman and put it inside the cone and look, it's ready. We are going to make 32 such shapes using different shades of green clay. Now paste all of them like this and make the Christmas tree and look, it's ready. Now we are going to press this yellow clay, make the star and look, it's done. Similarly, we are going to make the ribbon as well and paste it on the top of the Christmas tree, decorate it further. We are making the trunk as well using brown color of clay. Put all of them together and look, your beautiful Christmas tree is ready. We are going to make the base using this white color of clay. Dab the Christmas tree, snowman, and we are making the trunk and some of the side wall as well. Now we are going to make the gift boxes. So press this green and yellow clay and make the gift boxes like this. We are making the ribbon as well and we are going to put all of them on the top of the base like this and decorate it further like this. We are also adding some pearls like we're doing here. And look, your beautiful clay model is ready for Christmas night. We're going to merge these different shades of green and yellow, press it and put all of them one over another, keep it aside. Now merge brown, yellow and red clay together and make this beautiful brown shade. Now we are going to make the face of the reindeer, so press all of them and combine all of them together, paste the horns, eyes and its ears and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to make its beautiful cheeks as well. Now we are making these beautiful patterns and put all of them together. We are making the muffler as well. Similarly, roll this green clay and make the cap and put it on the top of the reindeer. Now we are going to make star shape using yellow color of clay. Similarly, we are making a bow shape as well and put them on the top of the star like this. We're also making these beautiful bells and look, your design is ready for Christmas Day. We are going to roll these two balls of white clay and make the snowman. After this, we are going to make the muffler as well. So twist these two different shades together and make the muffler. Now we are making small details like its eyes, buttons and put it on the top of the ball. Similarly, we are going to make the nose and its cheek as well. Let's make the hat now using this red color of clay. Similarly, add the stripes and the circle as well. We are also making the leaves and all these small designs and decorate it further and look, your snowman design is ready. Fold this clay and roll it. Now we are going to make a cone. Take a scissor and cut all the leaves like this. Decorate it further using colorful pom-pom balls and look, it's done. Similarly, you can also make the clay balls, put all of them and you can also make Christmas tree this way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.